Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to remove the door handle on a 2015 Honda Civic Coupe. The first thing we're going to do is remove the door panel, and I will post a link in the description on how to do that. And next, you're going to remove this cap by taking a small flathead screwdriver and pulling the cap off. And behind there is a 10mm bolt. Next, we're going to want to peel back a small portion of this vapor barrier. Using a razor blade, you're going to want to slice the glue that holds the vapor barrier on, and with the other hand, just apply pressure pulling the vapor barrier away, and it makes it cut a lot easier. And we're just wanting to create a small window so we can access the back side of the handle. From here, we're going to want to unplug the wiring harness that goes to the handle. With one hand, push down on the tab, and with the other, pull out on the pigtail that goes to the handle. From the outside of the car, pull directly out on the end cap, and it comes right out. And then pull back on the handle, and it just slides right out. And that's it, guys. Handle's out. Thanks for watching my video.